everyone, this is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So today I am showing you a quick show and tell. This is by the Janet collection and this is from their Natural Me Light blowout texture line, which I am enjoying. And this is the style Bryah in the color 1B. So this is what she looks like on a start card. Once again, she is 360 degrees curling iron safe. She is a standard cap construction, so it is meant to be like a right side part. So if you're not a right side part, this may not be the wig for you, but you know you can always make it work. All I did was cut the lace. It was a Swiss lace, and it does come with baby hairs, and all I have is my wig grip on and my stocking cap. So you're not going to really need any extra adhesive unless that is your thing for extra security. So this is the wig right here. All I did was cut the lace and put it on. Now you can really tell because you can see how light the lace is compared to my skin. But you know, if you on the move like I am and I needed to put something on real quick to run out, this is how I'm going to rock it. But before I go ahead and do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my L'Oreal True Match powder foundation, and I am going to put some in the part right here, and I am going to go in here, you know, to try to blend it out some more so that way the lace doesn't look as bright. Now I would spray some tinting spray underneath this lace so that it could blend in a little bit more, but I'm only running out real quick and I wanted like a natural easy slay, which is what you will get here with Bryah. So the texture is a 4C texture, so it does mimic my hair. The style of it is really cute because you ever like did your hair, if you ever went to the shop, this is kind of like the standard bump look in the front with the bump ends like this. Now usually the ends will probably be like a little like less as defined and like more like this. So if I was you, I would probably like take a flat iron and just do it a little bit at the ends to kind of straighten it just a little bit more. Now it is big head friendly. It does come with 3 straps, one on the right, one on the left, one on the back with 2 adjustable straps. Nothing too fancy here, ladies, so let's keep it moving. And gents, ladies and gents. So with the wig in the front, okay, this is what I want to say. It's pretty. It's pretty from afar. It's pretty on the screen. However, to me, this hair is a bit heavy, and it's a bit stiff, a little stiff. I don't know if it's just the hair that I got or if other people thought the same thing, but compared to Tiana, Tiana was a little more lightweight, a little more flowy, which is what I preferred, and this is a little more on the stiff side, but that is good if you want this style to stay. Now once again, this does mimic like a natural hairstyle, so this is kind of would be like how my hair would be if I was to actually get it pressed out. So I am going to show y'all like a 360. There's not really too much to say about this. You could go ahead and get it because it is full, it is nice, and it is something very natural. Like if you don't want like a wig that is deterring away from your natural style and your natural texture, I would definitely say go ahead and get this, because if I was to walk out to the untrained eye, people would think this was my real hair. So this is how it looks in the front, because this is mostly like how I would rock it. This is how it looks on the left side. This is how the hair looks all in the back. And this is how the hair looks on the right side. So it lays nice, very nice. Like when I tell you, this is the type of wig that you should get if you really want to go for that natural blowout slay. And I'm pretty sure I would have people shook. Like if I took a picture, people like, oh my goodness, I didn't know that was your hair. to the untrained eye. But to all my wickies and weebies, we be here. We be knowing. We be knowing. So go ahead. You can go ahead and get this. I probably should have got this in like a color just to give it more of a pop. But I ain't mad at it because, you know, this kind of makes me wish this was my hair. You know what? But we can't have everything. That's why they got wigs like this. So yeah, make sure y'all check out Bryah from the Janet collection. And I'll post a couple links to where to get this here in the comment section below. But out of this one or Tiana, I think I like Tiana the best, but that's not to say that Bryah is not just as good. But make sure you go ahead and you check out my next slay. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. But okay, all right, let me stop, y'all, because I am kind of feeling myself. I didn't say all that stuff, but I really am feeling myself in this wig. I just need to take a flat iron and get these ends together. All right, y'all, make sure y'all stay beautiful and